So, hi, hello there mga kapips. Welcome to my channel. This is your Kuya Aris. And again, for those people na hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa channel na ito, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell for more updates of my video. So, this time po ay mag-share po ulit ako ng bagong awitin na kung saan 5 years ago ay na-compose ko po ito. And I think we're preparing for the 4th album. Hindi pa po ito nare-record, pero we really wanted na maawit po namin ito through the 4th album. And we thank God for the grace for giving us the song. So it was inspired by Philippians chapter 4 verse 4. Ang sabi doon, rejoice, again, I say rejoice. So medyo ang inspiration ng mga awitin pong ito sa mga medyo may edad na po, yung This is the Day, rejoice. And God gave me a song na talagang patungkol po na mag-rejoice po tayo. Because we believe that rejoicing is a choice. So no matter what our situation is, or anuman pa po yung mga nararanasan natin, we have to made up our minds to rejoice always. Piliin po natin na lagi po tayong nagre-rejoice no matter anuman pa po yung sitwasyon na meron tayo. Let not bad things or bad situations or even a person can ruin our days or our life. Yung rejoicing or yung pagiging masaya is a choice. And I hope that this song will bless you na lagi po tayong mag-rejoice. Pagkat yung Diyos po natin ay kumikilos, ang Diyos po natin ay gumagalaw, at ang ating Panginoon ay babalikan po tayo in spite of all these things na nararanasan po natin. He has promised na tayo po'y babalikan niya. That's why we have a reason to rejoice always. We have a lot of reason to rejoice always. So alam niyo na po siguro yung title. The title of the song is Rejoice. And I hope mga kapips, mabless po kayo. Please share this video, para mas marami pa pong maabot nitong awiting ito. So God bless you guys. Be blessed as you hear this song. There's a new song now arising, deep within my heart I'm singing. All the people are rejoicing. Keep believing that God is moving. Keep believing that God is moving. Rejoice, for the Lord is coming. Rejoice, for His hand is moving. Rejoice, for His light is shining. Keep believing that God is moving. Keep believing that God is moving. Rejoice. There's a new song now arising, deep within my heart I'm singing. All the people are rejoicing. Keep believing that God is moving. Keep believing that God is moving. Rejoice, for the Lord is coming. Rejoice, for His hand is moving. Rejoice, for His light is shining. Keep believing that God is moving. Keep believing that God is moving. Rejoice, for the Lord is coming. Rejoice, for His hand is moving. Rejoice, for His light is shining. Keep believing that God is moving. 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 Rejoice, 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 rejoice.